let's start.
It is possible to tag of negative and positive to noun and verb of all.
Could you repeat that?
It is possible to tag of negative or positive to noun and verb of all.
Yes, they use the dictionary. So if for in those, so they can take that words it is negative or positive for word in the dictionary, and for some noun, I think for noun, yes, argument noun, which is not annotated positive or negative in this dictionary. They annotate it manually for some nouns, neutral nouns, neutral in the dictionary. Noun which is not annotated positive or negative in the dictionary, then there's a lot of nouns, so they limited the target to a pair of argument predicate. Argument and the frequency of pair of argument and predicate have top 5 for the about predicate. I said in this paper in section 2 paragraph 3. But it is very small size, so almost they use only word in the sentiment dictionary.
The word not in sentiment dictionary. Tagged by authors. Positive and negative.
Dictionary is not in the it is different. The person, the dictionary, the person made dictionary, and the author is different. I think the author and person made dictionary is different.
Exist the neuter noun
Neutral.
Neutral
Noun. Yes. In original paper, they said the argument which don't have sentiment. So I don't know it. I think the word is word is not in the dictionary. They said just a word argument in this noun which don't have sentiment about neutral word. They
don't じゃあthe word have not sentiment. Not equal neutral.
No. It is neutral noun. But they said just the argument which don't have sentiment. So it is. I cannot. I don't know. The word is whether the word is in the dictionary or not. I think the word is not in the dictionary.
Okay. Next question.
Yes.
You said argument cancer has positive.
So it is. I made mistake. It's just mistake. That's my fault.
Next question. Negative words are registered 3 times more than positive words in sentiment dictionary. I think this is an interesting characteristic of Japanese. How about you? How about you? How do you think?
Yes. I think also it's interesting. Why? But I can find a concrete example. So I won't think about this characteristic. Yes. Yes, it's very interesting. But I don't have concrete example for this characteristic. So I cannot discuss about now. Do you have any example for this characteristic? Example was some idea.
I think negative は I think negative words are registered more than positive words. It is present Japanese sorry, I'm bad English.
Okay. Do you
Japanese people characteristic.
Japanese people
negative thinking.
Yeah, I think it's one of reasons. I agree with that. But I think there are other reasons. Yes, of course, your opinion. I agree to your opinion. 3 times. Yeah, it's interesting.
Next question.
Okay.
There are a discussion about 70% and 20% for inversion predicates.
Yes.
What are the features in inversion predicates of remaining 10%?
Yes. They said rest of them is it is difficult to judge it is positive or negative, and the verb phrase which need they should check again.
No.
They
Can you give me as an example?
In this paper they said 惑わす. The argument is 心 or 敵. 心 and or 敵 enemy. 心を惑わす、敵を惑わす。The sentiment of verb phrase is difficult to judge. So it is a problem of annotation.
Last question.
Okay.
You said inversion predicates have a positive or negative sentiment depend on argument. Inversion predicates have positive sentiment or negative sentiment depend on argument. You say.
Most of inversion predicate have negative sentiment.
Sorry. Invert predicates and agent pair.
Okay, verb phrases. Yes.
But I think